introduce my full name, Veronika Anita Unde, Elementary School Teacher Education Study Program, 1 semester class J. So, here I will retell the contents of the text that I have watched. In the text tell about poor boy's strange story, English story for listening, improve your English. In a small village, there lived a diligent boy named Sam. He lived with his mother and two younger siblings, John, Agatha, and Maya. Their father had passed away when they were young. Sam helped his mother with gardening and other household chores. One day, his mother fell ill. Sam devotedly cared for her and worked tirelessly to support his family. Before her passing, she called Sam and entrusted him with these final words: "Become a successful person, never give up, and always take care of your youngest siblings." Deeply saddened by his mother passing, Sam never heedless remembered her words. He worked hard to support John and Mary, ensuring their well-being. One day, a monk from the city visited their village and offered Sam a job. Impressed by his diligence, Sam accepted and moved to the city, where he met a kid-hearted girl named Lily. They became close friends, motivating and supporting each other. Sam introduced Lily to John and Mary, and they quick budded. Sam and Lily eventually married and had 2 children. Inspired by Sam's preference, John became a doctor and Mary a teacher, fulfilling their children's dreams. Thank you, Mom.